everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars sound not working. If there is no sound in Brawl Stars, this is usually a simple fix. First, check your phone's volume buttons and make sure the media volume is turned up. Also check that your silent mode or do not disturb mode is turned off. Now open the Brawl Stars setting and then make sure sound and music are enabled inside the game also. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them and test the game using phone speakers. Then restart your phone, and audio glitches often fix themselves after a restart. On iPhone, check that the ring silent switch on is not set to silent. Above the volume button, you'll see a small button. You can move it either up to make your silent mode off or down to make your phone on silent. Make sure that your silent mode is off so you can hear the sound. After adjusting these settings, sound should work normally again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.